Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I got a big bag of Happy Mail. Now I don't know if there's a note in it, there's nothing on the bag to say who it's from. Whoever sent this, I want to thank them very much. So we're going to open it anyway, and there might be a note in it, there might not, but we'll have a look anyway. Now I'm going to go through this bag quite quick because I'm standing up and I've twisted my ankle. And I can't do this sitting down. The bag's a little bit too big. So right away there is a bag of yarn. This is ice yarn. This is from the Ice Yarn Company. Oh, that's pretty. That is a beautiful mint green. It's like a chunky yarn as well. There's 2, 4, 5, 6 and this one is 7. Now this is, which one is it? It says it is adorable. Weight 4 medium. Now weight 4 in the UK is an Aran weight. Now, yeah, it is a little bit, I would say that's more in between an Aran and a chunky almost. It's 40 grams. That's 70 meters. So there's 40 grams in each ball. Still plenty to make something. It's lovely and soft. I haven't had any ice yarn sent to me for quite a little while. I'll put that back in there. What else? There's one that's unlabelled. This is a chunky yarn. I think this might be a Stylecraft yarn. Now it's a little bit greenier than the video is actually showing. Look at that's pretty. I'll put that aside. Now by the looks of it, I think there's quite a few oddballs, but oh, look at this. This is Woolly Hippo. 100 grams. Now I've had some of this sent to me before. Right, the shade number is R06 or R06. It's 100% acrylic, 265 meters. It doesn't tell you what weight it is. I think it's a double knitting. It's a double knitting, but that's pretty, isn't it? Now I'm going to go looking. I'm sure I've got a few balls of that already. Double knit, and I think I now know who it possibly might be. Now there is another one of this beautiful black and white. There is a grey in there as well. There's 2 shades of grey. There's black, there's white. That's pretty, I like that. That'll make a nice sweater or a little, it'll make a nice little hoodie. So that's Stylecraft Special. That's an Aran. Now I think this is a Stylecraft Chunky. This one. That's pretty. Now it's 100 grams. It's 100% premium acrylic. 196 meters or 214 yards. Tells you to use a UK size 5mm needle. But you can use a 5mm hook. And that's a US, I think it's a 8. I can't quite see. The shade number for this is Storm Blue. Storm Blue, and the shade number is 1722. That's nice. I'm going to put that aside. We'll keep going. Oh, that's nice. Oh, wow. That is double knitting hippo. Look at the colours in that. That is so pretty. And it's 100 grams again. It's double knitting. That's a weight 3 if you're in the USA. So the shade number for this is R02. That is so pretty. I really like the colours in that. I love variegated yarn. I'll put that aside. See what else there is. Oh, there's another one of that one. Is there a colour? There's no number on. There's a number. It's number 2. R02. But there's no actual name. It says woollyhippo.com. That is pretty. So I've got 200 grams of that. That's fantastic. I really like that. Now there's a couple of these. Oh, it might be one of these. Oh, King Cole Big Value Chunky. Look at the colour. It looks so gold. Doesn't it? That is so goldish. Do you know, I think this might be King Cole then. Because it's very similar to that one. Not in colour, but it is the way it's twisted. And yet, look at that, it's twisted the same way. You'd think I would know King Cole by now. I love King Cole yarn, it's always so soft. Now this one is called Turmeric. The shade number is 3486 and it's Turmeric. 100% premium acrylic. It's 100 gram balls. That's 167 yards, that's 152 meters, and it's their big value chunky yarn. I like that. That is a beautiful colour. I'm going to move that over there. We'll put that over there. We'll see what else we've got in here. Oh wow, look at that. Ice cream. Do you know, I've got one of these. I think I definitely know who sent this. I have got one of these ones. And if it's from the same lady, I think it might even be the same batch. This is a weight 3, which is double knitting in the UK. 100% acrylic. 3.5 ounces, which is 100 grams. This one is called, it's a Lion brand. Where is the name? There we go. Partif. Partif. How do you say that? That's kind of French, isn't it? Parfond. Is it Parfond or Partif? Anyway, the number in it is 22. That's not the right one. That's the lot number. Article, number of article 923. And that is a Lion brand ice cream. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now, I'm just going to turn my head around. And I've got one that's there. It's very similar. Very similar. Look at that. It's beautiful. And it's really soft as well. Pop that aside. See what else. There is a Stylecraft special. That's an Aran yarn. That's a beautiful colour. This one is raspberry. Raspberry. It's 100 grams. You can use in this one an Aran. It tells you to use a UK 6 or a USA. I don't know what it says for that. But it says you can use a 5mm as well. Is that an 8 UK? It's an Aran. I would use a 5.5 for Aran. But it's really pretty. It's a 100 gram ball. Put that to the side. There is a beautiful Paintbox red. It's simply Aran. I used to get this all the time. I used to buy Paintbox yarn all the time. This is a weight 4. So that's Aran in the UK in a weight 4. And the same with that other one. That Stylecraft one is a weight 4, if you're wondering. The colour for this is 214. It's a beautiful red. It's like a beautiful cherry red. There is, it tells you to use a 5mm or a US 8 or a UK 6. I still would use a 5.5. It's 100 grams, that's 3.5 ounces, 184 meters, 201 yards, 100% acrylic, and it's nice and soft. Paintbox is Lovecraft's own brand of yarn. Paintbox. I love Paintbox yarns. Their baby yarn's beautiful. Now this one is another Paintbox, simply Aran. And all the weights are the same, but the number on this one is 242. Look at that colour. That is beautiful. Look at these beautiful bright colours. Paintbox yarn always crochets or knits up beautiful. And that's like a lilac one. They don't have names on the yarn. They've got numbers. Now what else have we got? Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. This is a Lion brand mandala. This one, it's a weight 3, so that's double knitting. It's a self-striping one by the look of it. As you can see, self-striping. This is not what I would class as a variegated, because you get a big amount of blue, then the next colour, then the next one, the next one, the next one, and the next ones. Where variegated is more like this, where the colour changes faster and it's mixed. And this is true variegated. These ones where it's it all just blends in. You don't end up with thick lines of colour. So this one is like classed as a self-striping, and this one is a variegated one, but it's so pretty. The colour, it's called Phoenix. This one is called Phoenix. Well, it's called Phoenix, and there's a number 525 there. That might be the colour number. And this is your Lion Brand Mandala double knitting yarn. Lovely, I like that. Put that aside. And how much is in that? Is that 100 grams? I think that might be a bit more than 100 grams. It's 150 grams. So this one's got 150 grams in it. See what else is in here. There is. I've got a hole in the bottom. This is a double knitting Stylecraft special. The colour for this is Magenta. The shade number is 1084. And that's 100 grams of acrylic. That's a weight 3 if you're in the USA. I'll put that aside. Scrunching this bag down a little bit more. Now there is, look at this. I haven't had any of this for a long time. It's so soft. Now there are labels on these ones. There's a label on that one and a label on that one. That one's lost its label. But we'll keep it all together. This is Picasso. This is the Ice brand. And it's called Picasso. It says it's a medium weight 4. That's like an Aran in the UK. It's so soft. It's beautiful yarn. Now, when you want to see ice yarns, you just go into iceyarn.co.uk. They send all over the world. They send to the USA, they send to Europe, they send to UK. Now, it says, yes, so is it it just says polyester. It's a Picasso. Now there's all different colours in the Picasso range. And I would use a 4.5, a 4 or a 4.5 hook for that. That is beautiful. And I would say that's more a variegated. It's not got enough to do self-striping. The colour's going to blend in, and I've used Picasso before. Sometimes I get the Rockabilly and the Picasso mixed up, but this is definitely Picasso, and it crochets beautiful. I'll pop that over there, and we've got, I'm going to take these out. We've got some varied balls of yarn here. We'll just take these out. There's no note in the bag. There's no note. I went and broke that label. So there's this one. It's a double knitting. It's Stylecraft special. We've got a lot of different colours in this one. This one is Spice. I'll pop that there. Keep that one. I'll just put a piece of sellotape around that one. This one is double knitting as well. This one is Copper. That's beautiful. That's a different one. That one is a Stylecraft. That's an Aran one. And that is Aspen. That'll go with those other ones that are there. Now this one is an Aran again, and it's the same. No, that's a Paintbox one. This is a lipstick. I've got some of that. I know I've definitely got some of that. Now this one is a double knitting. This one is Apple, and I've got some of that as well. That's a different one. This is a Aran, and that one's Cream. Got some of that too. And this one is an Aran, and it's Denim Blue. That's beautiful. And we've got this one. I've never heard of this one. Naco Vision. I think the colour number is on this is 10121. It's 100 grams, 195 meters. Saying to use a 4 or a 5 hook. For this is, it's like an Aran. I would use a 4. I would use a 4.5 or a 5. Maybe a 5 for Aran. It's beautiful. Doesn't actually give the colour a name. But that is pretty. That is beautiful. And that is all the yarns that are in that bag. Look at these beautiful colours. These are beautiful colours. The apple is beautiful. So whoever sent this, I want to thank them very much. I think I know who sent it. I might say her name just in case it wasn't her, but I think it probably is. So thank you for giving me your time. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Please just click on that subscribe button. Help me get up to 300,000 subscribers. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial or an unboxing video or Happy Meal. Thank you very much for watching. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.